Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I decorate my graduation hat. These are the items that I use. You don't have to use these, you can use whatever you wish to. If you'd love to see how I do that, please keep on watching. So in this clip I'm showing you guys that I glued the paper onto the hat. What I did was I pierced the hole in the center of the paper, then place the hat on top of it, then outline the hat that way I know the it is centered because I already have my hole. And now I'm placing these letters that I got from Marshall. It says PN, and yes guys, everything that I'm using is from Marshall's. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place those in the top left corner of my hat. Now I'm going to go ahead with my gold letters and go ahead and spell the word grad, and I'm going to be out of focus while showing you guys how I glue them on, but all I do is place glue on the back of the letters and stick them down. That's all that I do. And yes, here I go being out of focus. I will come back in focus in a little bit, maybe in the next clip. I'm so sorry for being out of focus. Hope you guys are still enjoying the video. If you are, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Subscribing helps me a lot, so please do go ahead and click that red subscription button. I can't speak. Now that I'm finished spelling the word grad, I'm going to go ahead now and what am I doing? Showing you guys how it look. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my red letters and spell Nurse Nika. So the nurse will be on the bottom corner and my name will be on the right corner. Now that I'm finished spelling my name, I'm going to go ahead and grab those pom-poms that I have laying there. They're mini pom-poms and I have them in the color of the Jamaican flags because Jamaica is where I'm from. So I'm going to use those to make a Jamaica flag. What I think I did wrong with this though is I should have started with the black instead of the green. Then the green wouldn't have been so wide, and then I'd have a bigger space for the black. But anyhow, yes, I'm gonna go ahead and use that to make a Jamaica flag. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my stickers that have nursing outfits and instruments on it. I also got this from Marshalls. So I'm going to go ahead and stick them in the spaces that I have. I'm not going to put everything because I don't want to have it look too crowdy, even though I think it looked crowdy. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and stick my stickers on. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.